Alright, y'all, so I'm coming at y'all with another vlog. We about to start doing this again, but more so for fun. We've been real busy with the hype plan stuff, only really running the brand. But you know, today I got my boy Joshua and I got my boy DJ. They have never been to Howlin' Rays before, so you know I'm finna take them to Howlin' Rays and I'm finna let them try the hottest chicken of them all, the Howlin' Plus off the menu hot. Let me see, how you feeling, brother?
It's nothing, easy work. All work is easy work.
Alright, bro, so last time I went there, I got that hot chicken and I couldn't even fit. I took one bite and I needed to drink milk and ice cream. I'm not good with spicy food, but just know, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be tough. We're gonna let them see. We're gonna let them see. You ready? Ready.
Nah, stay ready, ain't gotta get ready. Transition, you work with
Alright, bro, I hate to interrupt your conversation, but are you ready to try the hottest chicken at Howlin' Rays today?
Oh, bro, we gonna try it.
The Howlin' Plus off the menu.
We gonna try it.
You wanna try some, mama?
No, come on, I don't have makeup on.
Why do you talk like that on camera?
I don't.
Look, whenever my mom, look, you see how she was talking a second ago? She didn't have that tone of voice. Whenever she get on camera, she be like, "How you doing to talk?" It's like, shut your ass. We out here. Let's get to Howlin'. It's the only one?
Yeah.
They're actually opening one in Culver City.
Oh, shit.
Supposedly. But man, we out here at Howlin' Rays with the two young children, man. First timers. The line is actually not that bad today. We right in this little area. Probably take about 45 minutes, but
Still long as hell. That's hard, you can split it like that.
boy, if you don't get
Turn up with me. Yeah. Ready.
Bro, y'all the least entertaining niggas on the planet, bro. These dudes are not entertaining at all.
Act brand new just because the camera out. This is how we is in real life. It's what we do every day on the Thug Thizzle. Every day.
No, to be honest, this nigga Josh is actually but he not showing it.
Hey, we don't use the R word around here, bro.
Alright, Josh is dumb as hell. How about that?
I'm just so smart, it's hard for people to comprehend. You gotta be 10 steps ahead.
Boy, if you don't. But nah, bro, we in line right now. We've been here about 20 minutes, so we'll see what's up. Yeah, put these little children on, so 4-day recovery. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah, we gonna do it. We gonna do it. I'm getting him the Howlin' Plus. He never been before.
You gonna do the Howlin' Plus?
And my other homie over there, Howlin' Plus.
Going like that, man.
Yeah.
Our number 51. 51.
Got the Howlin' Plus on there. Collard greens and that stuff. You got the extra collard greens too?
I do.
Okay, perfect. Howlin' Plus, boy. It's so, hey, what's up, boy? Look at, hey. Got the. Damn, this looks hella hot too. Got the chicken hot.
This is Howlin' Plus with fries, so it's gonna be the 3 spiciest peppers.
Oh, I could do that.
Oh wait, that's Howlin' Plus?
That's hot fries.
That's hot fries.
But the Howlin' Plus will have
I've had it before. I've had it before, yeah. You gonna need some milk, bro. You gonna need some milk.
some milk, you're gonna need a shower, you're gonna need a lay down. It's gonna be
You're gonna need some milk too, bro.
here for you.
Oh, we got it. We got your sando.
Oh, you scared? He's only scared off.
Never scared. That nigga lying. He said he's scared as a bitch. I'm already crying, bro. I ain't even gonna front. Hey.
What's your name? We got Jordan and his crew in the house.
Yeah, ready. That's the Howlin' Plus.
It's not Howlin' Plus yet.
You said not yet?
Look how black it is, bro.
Go give me the first bottle. The last dab bottle.
Josh, you said you was ready.
You guys see hot ones?
Yeah, I see it.
This is the last dab too, alright?
Alright.
That way it's gonna keep it up, alright?
That's all y'all. That's the last. That was a. Oh, thank you. Woo.
That's the hottest one?
Yeah.
That's not even on the menu.
Nah, yeah, it's not on the menu. That's how I know, bro. It's off the menu, bro. But wait. I told him to enjoy their sandwich a little bit first and then eat that. I ate that first one time. That was the worst decision I ever made. The hot one sauce.
What is it?
It's the hottest.
There you go. Keep it up like that.
Fuck no, baby. Go, let's go.
Oh, shit, bro.
Go.
He was screaming, he ain't even eat it.
Take a bite into the chicken, bite the chicken. Pick the chicken up. Pick the chicken up and bite it. Just bite into it.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
I can't close my mouth.
Bro, you really sweating, bro.
Good down here?
Hot, bro.
He ran too.
I don't know why they decided to do it.
Hey, I did it to him. It's the first time here, so I had to make him try. He ain't tried it yet. Hey, DJ, take a bite, bro.
I need my food. I need my food.
You scared? Some milk? Is that some milk? Just to be safe. Some milk? Oh, he needs some milk.
Oh!
Oh, he's thirsty.
He needs some milk.
Crying, bro?
I am crying, bro.
Oh my God! He dead ass said tears.
I can't control that.
Hey, Josh, I feel bad, bro. Hey, this is my fault. You said what? You almost could have passed out because your throat started locking up?
Yeah, like the heat goes straight to the back of your throat, and you just like, you can't even close your mouth, bro. My God.
Bro, DJ didn't even try. He got to go. We gonna make him try it later, though. We will. We gonna make him try it later, but Josh is a
I don't even
survivor.
like milk, bro. I had to drink some milk.
Cow milk is poison.
Oh, I almost threw up.
I could tell. They were concerned. We were all like, what the
But I
hell?
was like, nah, I can't throw up everybody eating. Hell no. So I had to hold it down.
Josh trying to dance. He back there. He back there uncomfortable. DJ didn't eat it. He feeling good. I'm over here on the freeway. We feeling good. We ain't no Howlin' Plus. Homie back there, dude. He over here like
Mad as hell.
mad. Bro, you mad at the world, bro. You wanna fight somebody right now? Josh gonna be famous off this video. This shit crazy.
I can't move. It's all in my stomach.
Whoa. What'd you just say, bro? What? It was all in your what?
I can't move, bro.
What was your last comment?
Nothing.
It's all in your stomach? But anyway, man, we finna end this vlog right now unless something interesting happens between now and the time that we get back to the warehouse. So,
We in traffic.
we're in traffic.
Yeah, LA traffic.
LA traffic for all of that, man. You see what's going on down on the freeway right now. We're not going nowhere. You got this dude who can't drive. This dude all on the left.
Parking lot.
No, it's a parking lot, bro. On both sides. So, anyway, man, we out here, bro.